Hello and welcome. This is Blaine and this is a guide on how to fix your Instagram not sending security code. So first open up your Instagram and recheck everything if it's working. So if it's not already, just go back and then go to your email or Gmail app, whatever type of device you have, and go to your logged in credentials of the email. So in here, just check on swipe right, then check on your spam there's nothing on your mails or important mails as well or updates. So if there's really nothing, just try and refresh about it. And if there's nothing really, just go to your Instagram and then tap and hold until you get the app info. In here, you can just force stop and then clear sash for everything to reset as it is. And just wait for it to load up. And that's about it. Just recheck everything if it's working, your Wi Fi, and even your app as well. That's about it.